the type of case he has been working, or the MIDS has been working, is this whole Kaveri conflict. They started the concept with the Kaveri family.
Yes.
Because the whole issue was, the issue was in the with the tribunal, Kaveri tribunal, and the things were not working out and things. So they had a farmer-to-farmer dialogue process. So they brought farmers from Karnataka area of the Kaveri basin to Tamil Nadu. Otherwise, a lot of misinformation is, being spread. People are Karnataka, the political people are, or the politicians are saying, or just to whip up, Karnataka feelings. They say, oh, this your Kaveri water is being used by Tamil Nadu farmers for 3 paddy crops or something. And similarly, people from Tamil Nadu have a feeling that, more and more water is being used in the Karnataka, which is the upper riparian state and things. So to get a correct picture, they did a lot of studies and everything, and brought farmers from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu and Tamil Nadu to that area, so that they can have a dialogue, see each one's situations, be sympathetic or empathetic to their condition, type of a thing. So that has been going on. And after that, our family started working. There is no violence, at least. People are understanding the issues, and Janagarajan has been taking the lead in that. So there are areas where probably if you bring this type of dialogue process and more information, data, knowledge, some of these conflicts might also disappear, because people see things differently. Today, because a lot of conflict is exacerbated because data is manipulated, or people don't get correct information and other type of thing. So that's a whole role. So so there are examples of some of these type of things where, let's say, this type of dialogue process can help mitigate or address some of these issues and type of things, or we should try. So in which it should be much more informed or knowledge-based type of dialogue process which is there. So one way out is this whole multi-stakeholder dialogue approach, in which this one, provided that the attributes I talked are put in place. Otherwise it doesn't. You can't put a huge contractor and a small farmer together saying you dialogue now. That is not going to be in a type of thing. Secondary issue is that through mediation. Whether type of thing. There's a group in Bangalore with which we are now slowly getting associated, called Metaculture. I think it's also quite a US linked group. So there's a guy called Ashok Padikkar who did his education in the US or something. So there I think mediation is a big thing. So there's all theoretical stuff around mediation and dialogue and type of a thing. So they have been using their methods of mediation, not in water area, but at least in other contexts of conflicts. For example, communalism. Like in Odisha, I think there was this whole question of Hindu versus Christian type of conflict, and a lot of violence and deaths and which took place. So they did try to do some work. Or conflicts in the family, for example. So they do some mediation techniques and other type of things. But there are a lot of skills in that. So their role is a neutral type of a thing. Now forum probably can't take a neutral stand on issues. As far as we might do, but at least certain issues where a very obvious exploitation or oppressive things are happening, then we can't take a neutral stand, because for us equity or other type of issues are also important. But Metaculture stand is that we are experts and we take a neutral stand. Our thing is to use our skills to bring conflicting parties to come and discuss and mediate and put new insights and other type of things into place, and whether we can resolve that. So the last training program we had on water conflicts in Odisha, we got Ashok Padikkar from Metaculture to talk to the group. What do they have to offer? Because we also don't have too much of skills in this mediation business, so we don't type of thing. So that sessions went well. So in the next phase of work, probably we might bring in a little more association with them, saying that what are the type of skills and knowledge and other type of things you need even for mediation. Because it's also an art and a science. You need to do this. And it's also growing discipline today, this whole question of dialogue and mediation. So can we bring in some of these insights into this, but without compromising our more basic thing about that, the resource poor section should not lose out in this whole process. They should get their share of whatever they are demanding. So equity becomes important, sustainable water use and other type of, without compromising on these core principles, can we use mediation or multi-stakeholder dialogue process to this. And forum's role is to basically work as a resource agency to further these processes through its research, through its pioneering work, bring in more experience into things as far as possible, because it has a credibility today. because the type of people who are associated with it and the type of work we have done so far. So can we use our good office also in some places at least to bring conflicting people together to have some dialogue and see whether it is. So that's what I would say. We don't claim that we will resolve all the conflicts in India or that is even possible. We don't even believe that all conflicts can be resolved. This is also not true.
Yeah.
Because conflicts are also signs of how the society is changing today. So we don't see that conflicts are bad, but we do believe that we all pay a price for it. Whatever, whether it's a political price, an economic price, whether it is a cultural or other type of things we do, and we should be able to account for it. I think. So as far as possible, some of the things we can manage, then society as well as ecosystems need not pay that price. But we are not saying that every conflict can be resolved and managed, and we should attempt that. That's not the way. But more informed debate, discussions, some type of a thing, changes both in the grassroots as well as in the policy level, in the long run would result some type of changes. And I think forum's role is to have this long shot of aiming at this change. Let's see. That's
Yeah. Do you mind?